The crab walk is a great way to mobilize your shoulders and improve strength and stability. We spend so much of our lives in this hunched over, swiping, typing, sliding, driving position. So consider the crab walk an antidote to the modern lifestyle. A healthy and robust shoulder is not only able to go in front of the body in what's called shoulder flexion, but also behind the body into shoulder extension. This is where the crab walk excels because we're restoring and rehabilitating some of that postural control, coordination and strength. So you can practice this exercise as part of a warm-up. You can do it up and down the gym, or maybe if you're a little bit more shy, try practicing in your kitchen or in your living room and let me know how you get on. Regarding our hands and our hips, to start with, experiment with hand position. I'd recommend either pointing out either side or pointing behind the body. Regarding our hip position, what we don't want to be doing is butt scooting across the floor, and nor do we want to be challenging ourselves too much to start with by going too high at the hip. So somewhere in between, think about challenging yourself in this midpoint position. I'm looking to create space between my ear and my shoulder, so thinking about nice proud chest, shoulders back and down, pushing down into the ground, actively into that position. I'm not looking to be slumped over and dragging my ear onto my shoulder. Pushing down, be nice and proud through the chest and through the shoulders. And I'm going to go opposite arm, opposite foot. So think opposite arm, opposite foot. I'm going to exaggerate this to start with, just so you can see that movement. But as you get more comfortable, opposite arm, opposite foot. And what we're looking to do is make this look seamless, coordinated, really nice and smooth. You'll see that I've run out of space, so I'm going to challenge myself. Can I reverse that pattern? Again, opposite arm, opposite foot, pushing back. Again, stay nice and proud through the chest and through the shoulders. Again, keeping that hip in a middle position, not too high, not too low. Push back, push back. So you guys are getting really proficient with this exercise now. So how do you make it harder? As we mentioned before, we can experiment with the hand position. I can make sure the fingertips are pointing all the way back. I can bring my hips higher. I've gone forwards, I can go backwards. And what I can also do is challenge myself. Can I move to the left and to the right? Notice how I'm still adhering. Opposite arm, opposite foot. And you can see I'm really having to think about this movement. I'm challenging myself, not only my body, but my brain in these positions. And if you have enjoyed this exercise, please feel free to check out this video, which YouTube thinks you will enjoy next.